independence, freedom, it's a myth. The names of the parish still carry the names of your colonial master.
Exactly.
Saint Catherine, Saint Elizabeth, Saint this, that, Tara Johns, this. No, you're not free. Watch this now. We are identified anywhere you go in the world by your name. What is your name? That's the first thing they ask you.
Yep.
Then where you're from. Watch this now. Had it been that my name was that of my ancestor, you wouldn't have to ask me where I'm from because
Facts.
everybody would know. When I say Kunta Kente, when I say Amakichi, when I say Air Finini, they would have known that I'm an African.
Exactly.
But when I was taken to the western part of the world, I was given my slave master name. So how am I free?
Not at all. Not at all. That's a badge of slavery. That's literally